Hey, what's good guys? It's Alex with Sigala Designs, and today's actually the first video back after not posting for quite a while, and I hope you guys are excited for some new content coming real soon because I'm gonna start trying to upload every other day for you guys. And in today's video we're actually gonna be working on our wide body Mustang because you see I was on the freeway and well, a little accident happened. So we're gonna be replacing this piece right here. It's like a little grill molding and some of the tabs broke off. So real quick, we're gonna be taking off the front bumper. We need to remove the two front wheels to get access to some bolts that are holding in the front bumper. So I'm gonna set you guys up on the tripod real quick and let's get this little piece fixed. Now that we were able to get the wheels off, we're gonna take out these little like push clips that's covering the bolts that are used to hold down the bumper. So real quick, let's take those out and then we'll get started on removing this bumper so we can fix that. Alright guys, so as you can see, I was able to remove the bolts that are holding on the bumper to the fender, as well as I removed all of these bolts up here holding up the top part of the bumper. So we should be able to remove it. I just got to worry about these connectors that are connected to the turn signals, and we should be able to go. So let's set a blanket on the floor. Let's take this bumper off. Alright guys, and just like that we were able to remove the front bumper. Check that out. So this piece right here, as you guys can see, is connected by a few clips that go all around. So we weren't able to get to those clips with the bumper on the car, so that's the reason why we had to remove it. So let's get that taken off real quick and then let's put the new grill back on the car. Okay, so now that we got this lower grill molding out, check this thing. Oh man, this thing got messed up. Look at this. This is the new one that we're going to be putting on. So I don't know what I hit or how badly I scraped, but man, this thing got destroyed. So this is the old one. It's the one we're no longer going to use. And let's put this one back on. This is actually the one from the GT, so it should look way better. So let's put this on and then let's get this bumper back on the car. Alright guys, so we just tightened everything down, made sure the spacing was good all along the hood, and then now all we have to do is just put on the wheels and we're good to go. Alright guys, one more thing before I put on the wheels. We almost forgot to install our front lip, so let's do that real quick. It's just a few bolts and then that'll complete the look of the front bumper and it will officially be done. Alright guys, so now that we installed the new lower grill on the car, there it is. We brought the other Mustang out and we're actually going to be going to a Broke Boys car meet. So right now we're filling up on gas and then we're going to head over to the show. It's in San Marcos, so let's get on the road. literally pulled up right as it was ending. There's so many people revving right now.
I mean, the few cars that are still here, they're alright. We parked next to this Widebody FRS. So, here are the two Stangs. Brought them out tonight. Look at this thing. What the hell? That's the damn alien from the fair. Like, what the hell?
But yeah, there's not that many people here anymore. We literally pulled up right as the show was scheduled to end. So we'll probably head out in a bit. We just wanted to stop by, check it out, see what was here.
Yeah, here's that FRS.
Alright guys, so that is going to be the end of the video. It is currently the next day, but if you aren't already subscribed, make sure to subscribe and turn on those bell notifications so you never miss a future upload. Also, if you aren't following us on Instagram and TikTok already, go over and shoot us a follow. We are so close to 1 million followers on TikTok, so let's see how soon we can hit that goal. I hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next video.